Hi, it's me Vamp, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Today, I actually have a video for you on how to make a YouTube short. Also, that will actually work on TikTok as well, so, if you want to do it this way. This is particularly how to make a YouTube short from your computer. I'm using DaVinci Resolve right now, and I know what you guys may be thinking. Vamp, I already know how to make YouTube shorts. I record them on my phone. If you do on your phone, that's fine and dandy. This method can also be used for, like say you have a lot of shorts or TikToks that you record on your phone and you want to stitch them all together in one big video. Well, this method can also help with that. The first thing you do is you open up your video editor program. In this case, I'm using Resolve, DaVinci Resolve. Now, you do a new project, whatever, like you normally would, and you then hit, I don't know where it is in other video program, but over here, you hit settings, and then go to custom, this is to set the timeline, go to custom, hit 1080 by 1920. And then, just hit save. And then, you're basically ready to go. Now for the HUD part, I guess? I don't know. You move this in, okay? You move this in here. I know what you're thinking, but fam, there's black bars there. I don't like the black bars there. Why would I want the black bars there? Okay, well, first of all, let's say we want just this part as a, TikTok or YouTube short. For whatever reason, we only want that part. Well, we delete those two parts, and you're still thinking, Vamp, but the bars, well, zoom, okay? In this case, we will be zooming it like this. You can zoom a little less if you really want the black bars at the top and bottom effect, kind of like a cinema type thing. But, you can also zoom enough to get rid of them. And this will be our TikTok so far. Yep, that would be our TikTok. Now, say we want to show just the beginning, we can move the position here and, show a little bit of here, and then we would go here. There, I added my TikTok or YouTube short. I added everything I needed to. Now I just need to export. You go to delivery again. I have a TikTok slash YouTube shorts thing set up here, but typically all you would do is I have paid version, so I have H.265, or if you're on a Mac, you also have H.265, but H.264 works perfectly, or any format that's available on YouTube. Then you go to custom, and you type in 1080 by 1920 once again, and there you go, plain and simple. You're ready to export. Hopefully this video has helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. Sorry I got off track there a little bit, but we made it back in the end, and Yeah, I'm gonna upload this as a TikTok. You guys will, or YouTube short rather. You guys will see this as a YouTube short on the channel. Don't know why, but I already said I would, so I'ma do it. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.